We're going to start talking about strings and using the print command. I'm going to run this twice to teach you a few lessons. Now, first and foremost, that print command needs to start in position 1. Any indentation, it fails. Any capital letters, it fails. So in lowercase, in the very first place, you say print. Then I've got an open paren after a space, and I've got double quotes. Welcome to the class. Double quote ends it. Close paren, and it's going to print welcome to the class. Now, here's another important part of this. I've run it again, but I used single quotes. You can use double quotes to begin and end, or you can use single quotes to begin and end, and it doesn't make a difference at any time. Those are totally interchangeable. So in the second example, I'm going to say print, space, open paren, single quote, welcome with single quotes, single quote, close paren. And both of those are going to work perfectly. Let's mess it up. Nobody does it better than me. Here we have 2 more examples. Can you tell me what is wrong with these? You're getting good. The first one has a capital P for print. That kind of stuff's going to drive you a little wacky in the beginning because if you have any capital, it's done. The second one, we mess it up real good or bad because we have print with all capitals. Both of these fail. We're going to pound this message home. Anytime you want to comment in your Python code, and it's so respectful to put comments in, especially if other people are going to have to utilize your code. I'm going to put my print command in, welcome to the class, and right after that, I put a pound sign. From that point on that line, it is commented out. Any comments you want from the pound sign on will be just comments and will not be utilized by the interpreter. Let's knock these comments out so you've got this down. There are many ways to make these comments. With the pound sign, we've got that, but you have to be a little careful because I got a trick in here for you. But you can also utilize 3 single quotes. That's not a double quote and a single quote. 3 single quotes, and you can write a paragraph or a book and then 3 single quotes. Everything in between those 2 are commented out. And of course you can actually write some code like we've done on the next line and then put a pound sign and the rest of that is a comment. Or if you wanted multi-line comments, you could put a pound sign at the beginning of each one of these and everything from that point on the line is a comment. But be careful here. Look at the next trick here. I'm going to do my print command in lowercase with a space, open paren. I've got double quotes. Then I've got the pound sign and I say no comment, don't string me along, and double quotes. That is not a comment because that pound sign is in between the double quotes, or it could have been in between single quotes, and that doesn't mean comment. That means print the pound sign.
This lesson brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. Need to learn SQL for Netezza, Teradata, or Aster? Visit coffingdw.com for our helpful training guides. With Teratom, SQL stands for So Quickly Learned.